Good morning. Today I'm going to go over finding the slope practice. So this should be a review. It should be, I'm doing it in such a way where you've already learned this, but maybe it's been a while. So we're just reviewing how to do it. I've got a couple of examples down here so we can take a look at. And then finding the slope, the formula is here, rise over run, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in our examples, we've got the coordinates, the two coordinates that would be used in the formula. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and plot this on the graph, and then we'll work our slope down here. So my first point, x1, y1. So I've got negative 3x, which is here, and 1y, which is up. So negative 3 and 1 is right there. My second point is 4 and 2. So 4x is there and 2y is there. So my line goes like that, right? In that direction. All right, now I want to figure out the slope, the rise over run. So y2 is 2 minus y1, which is 1, over x2, which is 4, minus negative 3. So I want to do minus, and since I have a negative 3 here, it's important I put some parentheses with the negative 3. All right, so 2 minus 1 is simply 1. And 4 minus 3, remember these two negatives are going to cancel out, making it a positive. So that'll end up being 7. So my slope in this case is 1 over 7. And you can leave them as fractions. You don't have to simplify them or anything. Just leave it as whatever fraction it is. You'll also notice that this ends up being positive, which makes sense because if the slope goes up this direction, it's going to be positive. If the line's going down like that, it's going to be negative. So let's do one more here. Same thing. I'm going to plot my two points. Plus 3 and plus 5 is right there. And negative 1 and or negative 4 and negative 1, negative 4 and negative 1. All right. My line is going to be going like this, right? Now let's figure out the slope down here. y2 is negative 1 minus 5. And then down here I've got negative 4 minus 3 equals negative 6 over negative 7. Now I said if the line goes up like this in any of these directions, it's going to be a positive slope. And we have two negative numbers here. But remember, a negative number divided by a negative number is going to be positive. So these minuses are going to cancel out. And we still have a positive slope, even though I have two negative numbers there. All right, so do the same thing we did here on the rest of these as your review. Let me know if you need any help. Thank you.